Let's learn how you can manage notifications on your booking.com app or website. So for this tutorial, I suggest you that you need to use application because it's more easier than the website and it has a lot of more options. Now what you need to do when you open application, just click on my account in bottom right corner, scroll down and go to device preferences. And here under device settings section you will find notifications option, so you just need to click on it. Here you can select would you like to booking send you notifications, just select whatever you want. And here, as you can see here, there are a lot of options for notification that you can turn on and off, so it's really just depend on you. To enable something, just click on it and it will save automatically. You can just return back. So that's it, thanks for watching and see you in the next video.